Okay, Emily, so we've got this traditional portrait drawing that you've made, and the success criteria that you're going to be marked on, or the main success criteria that we're looking at, are the proportion and positioning of the facial features. And we can see that you've used this grid in the background to quarter the area that you're drawing in vertically. So we've split that into 4 parts vertically and to half it horizontally, and you've actually used that grid well to help you position the facial features. So the eyes are in the correct position, the nose too, the lips are a little bit low. What you did was you split this bottom quarter into 2/8. When you half a quarter, you get 2/8. So it's almost as if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you've divided it again between this time between 8 instead of 4. So it's half 1 quarter, and in this second quarter up is where your lips would sit. So they sit about halfway up in that second quarter. Okay, so your lips are a little bit high and could just do with rubbing out and moving up a little bit. Your nose is well positioned. In terms of an improvement on your nose, you might just want to use a little bit of finger smudging to just suggest tone instead of a line. You don't want to outline the nose. And if you look at the image, you'll see that this line, I think, is one that you've kind of remembered or imagined. Really, it's a mistake that we all make, thinking that we know what a nose looks like, so we'll outline it. Really look at the image and see where the light and dark hits. Other than that, there's some excellent elements to this drawing. The texture that you've described in the hair with the mark making here, the shape of the eyebrows has been brilliantly described, and the actual length of the ears is good, but I think they're a little bit broad, so you have to bring the ears in a little bit. Okay, and a good tip for making your drawing look more like your subject, Cristiano Ronaldo, is to really notice his jawline, which is quite broad. I'm just going to draw one half of his jawline. It comes out to about here, and it comes in quite dramatically, and then we've got that quite strong chin that he's got as well. So make the improvements that I've suggested, and I think what you'll see is that what you're going to end up with is a really valid first attempt at the difficult task of traditional portrait drawing. Okay, well done.